In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Telegram channel. Now, before I get into this video, I want to say please make sure you watch this video the whole way through and ensure that you like and subscribe to keep up to date on our content. Now, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go onto your phone and open up the Telegram app and make sure you're signed in. Now, once you're signed in, it should look something like this. You'll have all of your different chats down here. Now, to create your own channel, what you're going to have to do is press this little icon at the top here, and it's going to ask you new message, and you want to go down to where it says new channel here. So it says, what is a channel? Channels are a one-to-many tool for broadcasting your messages to unlimited audiences. So we'll click create channel. So in here we want to put the channel name. So what do you want to call it? We can say test channel. Test channel. Next to that on the left, you're going to have this section where you can put in a photo. So that's going to be the photo that people see on the channel. You can leave it blank if you'd like to. Lastly, you're going to put a description here. So this needs to describe what your channel is, what you do. And again, you can keep this blank if you want. We make tutorials on YouTube. Okay, so now that we've done that, we can hit next. And it's going to create our channel here. Now it's going to say, do we want our channel to be public or private? So private means that people can only join with an invite link, and public means that they can join by just searching your channel. Now you can pick whichever one depending on what you need to do. So you'll have an invite link here created for you down here, which you can customize or you can share it. Lastly, you can turn on restrict saving content, so subscribers will be able to copy, save and forward content from this channel. Now if you don't want people to be able to do this, you can turn this off, or you can turn this button on and they won't be able to do that anymore. There you go. So you can hit next. It's going to ask you to invite contacts. Hit next again, and boom, your channel has been created. Now from here you can do a load of things. You can broadcast things into it. You can send attachments like photos, videos, that kind of stuff. You can add links. You can add notifications. You can add GIFs. You can even voice memo to it. There's a ton of different settings you can do from here, but that's really up to you what you want to do with this channel. Now if you go back, you should see that it's accessible here on the chats, and to delete it, you can just press delete here and delete for all subscribers. Press that and that's deleted the channel. Now you cannot undo it, but boom, it's permanently deleted here. So that's how you would go ahead and do it. Now if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.